welcome to Culinary Adventures. I'm Larry Gerber, the Barbecue Man. We're on Chicago's beautiful lakefront at the Taste of Chicago. And our special guest today who's going to accompany us
Larry,
on
I'm not kidding. You should see all this stuff.
It's my buddy Chauncey Nizio, the outdoors guy.
Hi, everybody. Larry, I just checked out the whole Culinary Adventure Midway here. We are going to have a gastronomical experience this afternoon.
And Chauncey, man, your hands are still clean. So, I mean, what, you got the wet naps or what, man?
Got the wet naps, but let's go get them dirty.
Okay. You know what? We're going to bring it all to you. Just in a few minutes, we're going to take a quick break. We'll have the sounds, the taste, the flavors, the Taste of Chicago. Hang it loose. We'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to Culinary Adventures. We're with Charlie Robinson. Hey, Charlie, man, you've been here since the taste began, right?
Yes, we've been here about 14 years, and for the last 9 years, we've been the #1 vendor here at Taste of Chicago. We sold last year 29,000 pounds of ribs. We expected to exceed that this year. We did somewhere in excess of $285,000 here last year in 10 days, so that's a main mind-boggling part of the ribs there.
Man, you're pushing out the pork for sure, but this place is packed. And what we got here? We got back ribs and some wings and stuff?
Yeah, this is our back rib here, and also we got a boneless rib sandwich. And we got the new item there, the turkey wing this year, which has been a new item for us, and it's been going extremely well, so I'm really excited about that.
If it tastes anything like it smells, it's got to be fantastic. I'm going to tell you, Charlie.
Oh, it's out of this world. I mean, this is...
Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, baby.
Yeah. No, hey, Charlie, with the ribs, okay, what do you got? I'm not going to ask for any secrets here, but what do you got? You put a rub on there, and then, and you got to do the ribs slow, right? There ain't no boiling or steaming, right?
No, that's it's a slow process. So what you do is buy a quality product of meat. You take the inside skin off and you marinate them overnight in the refrigerator, and you cook them the next day. And then after the ribs are 99% done, you add to your barbecue sauce, which is the main ingredients to making the ribs the #1 here at Taste of Chicago.
No, I don't know if a lot of people know about this, but you were the guy who won the Mike Royko rib contest, what, back like in 83 or 84?
It was 1982. We won the first Mike Royko Rib Fest, and we've been running ever since. This business has been good to me, and I've been good to it, and bless Mike Royko's soul. I just think the world of him, and it's been a great run.
Charlie, he's smiling down at you just by the smell of this plate. Mikey is smiling down at you.
Well, I've known you for a while, man, and I see you when I come down here, and all the time plating up these masterpieces for all these people who want this excellent barbecue, man. I'm happy to have you with us, and continued success.
Thank you very much, and I'm glad to be a part of this. And I think the City of Chicago and the Mayor's Office of Special Events and the Old Line Restaurant Association have done a great job in making Taste of Chicago what it is today. It's a family-oriented picnic, and people come all over the world to be a part of it, and I'm grateful to be here as well.
Well, we're happy to have you on Culinary Adventures, man. So onward and upward, we're going to be hitting the tarmac, and but we ain't going to visit any more Q places because this is the only one.
I wouldn't go to any other Q place anymore. Let me tell you, this is really good.
This is the only one. We're loyal. We're always staying here, man.
We appreciate it.
Hi, we're at Buddy Guy's Legends, and we have Susan here, who's going to show us all the tasty, delectable treats that she's going to offer us.
Delectable?
What do you got here, Susan?
First of all, this is our fried okra.
Oh, this is okra? Well,
Yes.
This is a #1 goodie. We gotta...
It's a mini squash that they use in different gumbos, like chicken gumbo and seafood gumbo. It's seasoned, deep fried, and it's really delectable and tasty.
Okay. And then
What's that, the jambalaya?
Yes, this is our southern fried chicken and sausage. It's Angeline sausage jambalaya. Has celery and red peppers and tomatoes in it, and it's very tasty.
And the other stuff on the bun?
This is called the shrimp po' boy sandwich. It's deep fried seasoned shrimp with lettuce on a French roll.
Wow.
And
That
the
sounds
last but
great.
not
And the
least,
last
one of
but
my
not-
favorites. We have to bring that down here, Q.
Is this catfish? If he says it's his favorite, it's catfish.
Yes, it's the Southern Fried Seasoned Catfish. Very tasty. It's one of our #1 items here at the Taste. We brought it back again from last year, back again this year, and it's #1. A lot of people love it.
Well, everything looks great, Susan, and we really appreciate the time that you spent with us, because you got a line of people looking out, just wanting to grab this food. So thanks a lot, and we're gonna dig in, hey, Chauncey?
Where's Buddy, guys?
We're right down on Wabash and 8th Street, right behind the Chicago Hilton and Towers Hotel. So come on out and see us sometime, guys.
I'm there.
Hey, we're here at Vivi's with the chief, man. You got some goat going on here, don't you?
You know it, right? You know that's right. Yeah, we try to have some good goat out here.
What's the goat simmered in?
It's simmered in Vivi's specialty sauce, and it's so tender that once you put it in your mouth, it just melts in your mouth.
Well, that's what I like hearing. You gonna let me taste some of this stuff, man?
So that's it right there.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah. I'm out of my cards, but check my menu. I know it's like this.
Well, hey, man, we gotta, we're making this trip, and we gotta include some Mexican food. So
Absolutely.
we're here with Martha, and what do we got? What's Chauncey got?
What
in
is
his
this,
hands?
Martha?
That's a steak gordita. It's we call it the Mexican pita. It's a cornmeal pita, and it's stuffed with steak, lettuce, and tomato.
That sounds really good. Now we've got another one here. Now this is your...
That's the chicken burrito. It's flour tortilla wrap with the chicken, lettuce, and tomato and beans.
And this is similar to the first one too, isn't it?
Yes. What you have over there is a steak burrito, and
Okay.
this is another steak gordita.
A steak?
Gordita.
Gordita. Gordita. You gotta roll your R's, Q. I learn how to roll. Gordita.
I tried, Chauncey. I can't do it. That's why I want you to do it for me.
And this one here is your steak taco?
Yes, that's a steak taco. It's a corn tortilla and steak, lettuce, and tomato, and then we have the salsa on the side.
Always have salsa.
Yes.
Yeah,
Always
absolutely, gotta have it. Well, everything smells wonderful. Where are you located?
We're at 3120 West 26th Street in Little Village.
Great. And what's your phone number?
It's 773-376-3218.
Well, thanks for having us. Hey, we're here on the tarmac at Taste of Chicago, and man, we're only like a quarter of the way there.
We haven't even started and I'm already getting full, Q. But I mean, we're by the street sign here. We've got taste stage, first aid, the water flume. We're not going to do any rides because we're here to check out the culinary adventures.
Yeah, we're not going to need the first aid station, that's for sure. And, the sauce is almost drying underneath my fingernails, so we're going to have to get somewhere to get it all wet again.
Wet again. And as a matter of fact, we've saw a lot of neat things here. We've seen some African cuisines. We had some Southern cuisines. We also had some great ribs from Robinson's.
Oh, well,
Unbelievable. And I mean, we've got pierogies, we've got beef sandwiches, we've got corn on the cob, we've got lobsters. We have a whole lot more to
We
go
haven't even dented the surface yet, man. So let's go
dent the surface.
Okay. Okay, well, Chance, we got to include some Polish fare.
Let me tell you, I've got my fork over at this booth here. We're at Kasha's, right? And we're standing here with Elizabeth.
Yes, that's right.
And this is marvelous. I mean, this is, I happen to be Southside Polish myself, so this is home to me. What do we've got here?
Well, this is here the first one. That's the Polish pierogies. We have 3 different kinds over here. That's potato, spinach, and strawberry.
Oh, yes.
And you got a kebab of some type?
Yeah, that's a chicken shish kebab with some peppers and some tomatoes and onion.
Mm-hmm. And then, of course, the
potato penny cakes with some sour cream.
Now, in my nationality, they call those latkes.
Latkes?
Yeah.
Well, this is Polish soul food, let me tell you.
I know,
This is Polish soul food at its best at the Taste of Chicago.
That's right.
Where are you located?
We're located at 2101 West Chicago Avenue in Chicago, and our phone number is 773-486-6163.
Well, thanks for taking time out of your busy day, and we're going to chow down on this stuff.
Thank you.
Smacznego,
Sure,
everybody.
go ahead.
Smacznego.
Smacznego.
What? Yeah.
Hi, we're at booth 57 at Taste of Chicago at the Thai Room, and you got something going in that walk that's chicken and bell pepper, but what else you got in there?
It has chicken, bell pepper, carrots, baby corn, and basil, fresh basil leaf. And we call this is basil chicken. We serve it on steamed rice.
And before you added some oyster sauce, which gives it additional flavor.
Yes, it gives the flavors and make the taste good.
Now, I was noticing that, Thai cooking, it's very colorful. I mean, it's not an all one color meal. You have many different varieties of vegetables, and that just adds to the appeal of it, isn't it?
Yes, this is make it pretty and make it, give you more appetite. And we use a lot of fresh vegetable, so that's why the color stays nice when, while you serve it. It's not overcooked. That's how, make it taste good and it look good too.
And over here you have one of my favorite dishes, which is the pad thai. And explain to our viewers what that consists of.
The pad thai is stir-fried rice noodle with egg and ground peanut and bean sprout and sweet sour sauce. It's the most popular in Thai cuisine. You can find, you will see it in every menus, in the menu of every Thai restaurant.
Yeah, it's an awesome dish. I love this stuff. I can't wait to dig into it. You're at booth 57 here at the Taste, and what is your address and phone number?
Our address is 4022 North Western Avenue, Chicago, and we've been there like 20 years, and our phone number is 773-539-6150.
Fantastic. Thanks for taking time out of your busy day to show us around, and we're going to dig in really quick.
It's probably, I don't know if it's soaked in butter or
Can you get them for me?
some kind of seasoning. Butter and something.
Oh, yeah.
Like a little channels out.
Nah? All right. Let's keep wandering.
When I finish it and I hand the hat to you, I get to make a really outstandingly bad pun. It stands head and shoulders above all the other outrageous puns you're likely to hear today. Prepare yourself. Are you ready to hear the really, really silly, outrageous pun? You ready? It also won me an award for milking a joke for the longest time before getting to the actual punchline. Get ready. Here we go. As soon as I hand it to you, another 5 seconds. This particular mouse ears hat allows me to say, have a nice day.
Rosa Natural Harvest?
Check it out. Hey, we're here with Vinny over at, what's the name of your joint, man?
Rick Benny's, sir.
Vinny from Rico Benny's. You
Yes.
can't beat a name like that, my friend. What do you got here?
This is our chicken Vesuvio sandwich.
Oh.
It's a breaded chicken breast dipped in garlic butter, and it comes with mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, and onion.
chicken Vesuvio sandwich?
Yes, sir.
Oh man. Oh.
Sounds fantastic. You got an order of Vesuvio potatoes to go with that?
No, I'm sorry, not yet.
That's it. Okay.
That's only for catering.
That's okay. Now, what do we got? A couple. This is kind of like a standard here.
Yes, this is our breaded steak.
Here, let me hand this to you, and you can hold this for the camera.
Okay.
And I'll move this down here.
This is our breaded steak. It's deep fried, dipped in a marinara sauce, and it comes with sweet peppers if you like, or hot, giardiniera. And we also have
a little bit of a sausage sandwich.
An Italian sausage.
Sausage. You gotta get the sausage.
This comes with marinara, and you could get sweet or hot peppers if you like for an additional charge.
Oh. Well, I like Italian sausage sandwich, man. So that's one we're probably going to take with.
All right,
I'll let you in on a secret. This is our new sandwich we're coming out with.
All right,
it's called our buffalo chicken sandwich. It comes dipped in a buffalo hot sauce, and it's served with mayonnaise and onion.
Ooh.
This will be out at our store in a couple weeks, and we hope to see it there.
Would this go with a good Chianti or a nice wine, or just a cold beer?
A nice red vino, or you could get a cold beer like myself.
So like a Chianti Classico Reserva would be an okay wine to drink.
Chianti MGD Light.
Hey, we're here at Gertie's with Raj, and he's gonna make us what are you making, Raj?
A caramel apple sundae.
A caramel apple sundae. Now we're at Lindy's Gertie's here at the Taste because, you know, when you sit here and you've done the entire world, I think, in food, you've got to top it off with some good ice cream. And if you're gonna do it with good ice cream, this is the place to do it. Show them how you make the sundae.
Here's the apple with ice cream right in the middle.
And then, oh, you gotta drizzle it. Oh, that looks like heaven. Oh, that's heaven. Oh, yes.
Man, that's going in my thighs right away, isn't it, Chance?
Oh, look at that. An artist at work.
You can eat it right after I finish it, too.
Okay, now that's the
caramel
apple sundae.
And
then right here, you put a little nuts on that, too?
Yeah, I'm going to put some nuts.
Yeah, you got to get a little nuts on there. Oh, a little sprinkle.
That's
unbelievable.
All
right, that's to put that on the counter. And then this is the
strawberry sundae.
Strawberry sundae. Between these two, you don't need to go any further, right?
Nope.
This is absolutely. Let's give this man a round of applause. An artist at work.
Hey, thanks for your help, Raj. What booth are you? Booth number 12?
Yes, sir. Number 12.
All right, well, we were here with Raj, and man, we're going to take a quick break, so hang loose. We'll be right back. Hey, welcome back to Culinary Adventures. Chance, man.
We did it.
We made swines out of ourselves.
We did it. We lived up to the honor of this show. We tried every type of cuisine from one end of this midway to the other end of the midway.
From one end of the map of the globe to the other end and back.
It was absolutely marvelous. And you know what? You don't put an event like this without a lot of help. City of Chicago did a great job.
Absolutely.
Taste of Chicago people did a great job.
Absolutely.
And everyone here is enjoying themselves and just enjoying being part of the City of Chicago.
Man, you couldn't ask for a better day. We have to say special thanks to Tracy Shields in the mayor's office for letting us come down and kick our stuff and, interview a bunch of people and make swines out of ourselves because that's what we do best.
Well, I tell you what, we ought to just work our way back out of here and enjoy today. Once again, thanks for having me on Culinary Adventures.
Man, anytime, you know that.
I know.
You know that. Hey, got to give you our website, barbequeman.com. Make sure you click on the Culinary Adventures logo. And I'm Larry Gerber.
And I'm Chauncey.
And we'll see you next time on Culinary Adventures.
Bye.
Take it easy.